Hi guys, welcome again to Unbox Baby, where we're going to be introducing the Goldbug 2-in-1 Infant Head Support today. I love this product because my baby, as I told you before, is a newborn. He is about 4 weeks now, and this is great for your baby's head. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we have the Infant Goldbug 2-in-1 head support. As you know, I always want to give you the price. I got this on Walmart.com for about $11.97. It's pretty affordable, and it comes with 2 headrests, which honestly, you don't really get that when you buy a car seat or anything else. And the best thing I love about this product is that you can use it also in a swing as well. I actually had a little infant one for my child for the swing, but honestly, I think this product is a little better. And of course, as your baby gets older, you can definitely use the second one behind it. So the small gray one, as you'll see here in a minute, is used for the infant support when they're about newborn to, I say, about 3 months old. And then when they get a little older, you can put them in that stripy one, which is the second one. And another thing that I love about this product is that you'll see it is women owned. So let's go ahead and unbox it here, and let's take it out and so we can see the material. Honestly, I love so far the material. It's really squishy and it's very comfortable because, as you know, newborns, they cry when they're uncomfortable. They cry. And as you can see here on the back, they have the gray one and they also have the stripe one. As I said, the gray one is used for when your infant is about newborn until, I would say, about 3 months. And then the second one you can use here until, I would say, 6 months, 8 months, or maybe a year. It depends on how you want to, do it. So let's go ahead and take it out the package and let's see this material. And actually, they have some squishy things here on the side. I'm not quite sure what the material is, but just pop it out of the thing here and use your unboxing knife here to pop it out of the package here. And so here I am also going to do the other side because it is stuck in there pretty well. And then they give you a little manual at the back in case for you new time parents, you want to see how to put your baby in there and support their head. You can definitely look at this manual. I have 3 children, so I pretty much know how to do this, so I may not keep it. So anyhow, as you can see, the small one goes inside of the big one. And you can separate it or you can actually put it together. When I put my baby in it, he seemed a little too squished. So I would recommend you just use this first one for until 3 months. And then you can use the second one after that. And of course, your baby will grow out of the smaller one. So you will have to use the second one once your baby gets a little bigger. If you're a first-time parent, you're going to love this product. And even if you're a grandparent, you're also going to love this product to keep your baby comfortable and safe. As you know, in the car seats, most of the car seats do not come with these supports, as you can see. So you do want to definitely get this for your baby. And it's really affordable. Once again, guys, it was only $11.97. $11.97 on Walmart.com, but I will have to tell you, if you go in the store, it is about $14.97, so it's about $3 more if you go into the store. Once again, guys, I love this product. Please, if you get this product, let me know in the description below how you love this product. And also, if you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome unboxing baby items. And it's going to help you for you and your son or your daughter and even grandparents out there. Please come to the channel and we'll get you going. All right, guys, thanks once again for joining me for Unbox Baby. And until next time, enjoy your baby.